Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset quickly and safely. Keeping your headset firmware up to date ensures it performs at its best, fixes bugs, and sometimes even adds new features. Updates can also improve battery life, enhance connectivity, and ensure better compatibility with the latest games and software. First, download the HyperX Ingenuity software from the official HyperX website and install it on your computer. Once installed, connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset using the USB dongle or Bluetooth, depending on your setup. Make sure your connection is stable so the update process doesn't get interrupted, as a poor connection can cause the firmware update to fail. Next, open the Ingenuity software and log in with your HyperX account. Navigate to the Settings menu and check for firmware updates. If an update is available, click Download and then install. The software will take care of updating your headset automatically, so you don't have to do anything manually. While the update is installing, avoid opening other heavy programs to prevent any interference with the process. After the update finishes, restart your headset to apply the changes. Once it powers back on, test the audio and mic to ensure everything is working correctly. You can also open Ingenuity to check if your headset firmware version has updated successfully. This step is important to confirm the firmware installed properly and that all features are functioning as expected. A few pro tips: make sure your headset is fully charged before updating and don't unplug it during the update process to avoid errors. You can also customize your EQ settings, adjust microphone sensitivity, and set up your preferred lighting options after the update for the best experience. If you run into any problems, contact HyperX support for guidance. They can walk you through troubleshooting. Updating regularly not only improves performance but can also prevent minor glitches from becoming bigger issues over time. Updating your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset is simple, and doing it regularly helps keep your device running smoothly. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy connecting!